In question 18, we have to simplify the given expression. So what we've got is we've got negative 12n squared plus 8n divided by 4n. So to simplify that expression, what we need to do is look at dividing each of these terms by our monomial divisor. So let's first look at taking negative 12n squared and dividing that by 4n. So if I look at negative 12 divided by 4, that should give me a negative 3. If I were to take n squared and divide it by n, remember there's a 1 on that bottom divisor, I should get an n left. So for that first division right here, I would have negative 3n. Then if I look at 8n divided by 4n, those two n values would just divide to give me 1, so I can cancel those out. And 8 divided by 4 would be 2. So I'd be looking at negative 3n plus 2. And that would be my solution once I've divided.